The National Livestock Identification System, or NLIS, is Australia's system for identifying and tracking cattle, sheep and farm goats for disease control, food safety and market access purposes. Electronic NLIS tags contain an RFID microchip encoded with a unique, unalterable number. This can be read electronically in a fraction of a second using suitable reading equipment. RFID technology enables processors to install systems that link electronic tag details with information about each animal's carcass.
From a marketing perspective, traceability is extremely important, and that importance is increasing every single day with the various livestock issues that are happening around the world. And with electronic identification in sheep, it is giving us that traceability that we require, that we need, that the world needs, and we're meeting those market requirements.
Cedar Creek Company's VIAscan technologies are partnered with the Elise Hooktraka system to become a vital link in the NLIS traceability chain, from farm to consumer. VIAscan is a world-leading vision system that helps processors accurately value carcasses and make key business decisions.
VIAscan is an analysis technology that uses video imaging to measure the meat quality and yield of carcasses. How it does this is measures the colours of carcasses and also the dimensions of carcasses, and we relate those back to parameters that are important to the commercial processing chain.
The lambs come through the processing floor and come through the VIAscan system. Each carcass gets an individual shot taken of it. The yield is estimated with the fat score, and all that information is then passed on through the computer up to our office. It's fed back to our feedback sheets, and farmers are paid through the VIAscan system.
Cedar Creek Company's VIAscan system is a non-intrusive online objective measurement solution. It provides consistent assessment of yield down to primal level, leg, loin and shoulder, GR fat score, customisable carcass descriptions, UROP classification, and in beef carcasses, objective description of meat quality, all in real time. The system maximises returns by optimising carcass use.
It's great feedback. It's the way the industry's going. We give the feedback to the farmers each year, and as each year has gone on, each producer has improved on meat yield and weights.
Processors only pay for the real value of carcasses purchased. The system allows timely management of operational performance such as procurement and boning, enables benchmarking of suppliers, and integrates seamlessly into plant information and web-based supply chain management systems.
Since we've had the VIAscan system, we have started focusing on the better end of the lambs. We are getting the better producers selling their lambs to Castricum, for the reason being that they are breeding a bigger, heavier, leaner lamb, which suits our markets. When you have a process as big as ours, you need it to run fluently and efficiently, and having those heavier, leaner lambs makes our job a lot easier here.
VIAscan information can be used by all sectors of the lamb industry to improve management and marketing decisions, leading to improved product quality and unsurpassed processing efficiencies. Electronic scanning systems using RFID technology are revolutionising kill floor and boning room processes. Cedar Creek Company partners with the industry-proven and world-leading Elise Hooktraka RFID tracking systems to enable much more flexible and accurate tracking of carcasses. Traceability throughout the production process is achieved using RFID embedded hooks. These register on Elise readers along the chain as the carcass travels through each process in the plant. This provides a far higher degree of accuracy than is possible with manual methods. Each carcass is tracked individually in real time via Cedar Creek Company's own SASTEC touchscreen terminals, with the data also viewable at a remote SCADA station.
This system here acts as an overarching system that is situated off the kill floor, whereby the supervisors can come and ascertain what's happening on a regular basis as to what's actually happening on their processing floor. As you can see here, we're incrementing up the body count and the kill for each day. We're colour coordinating each mob, and we're handling the kill agenda in real-time management.
Automated capture via Elise RFID panel and wand readers eliminates the potential for missed reads or manual entry errors. And any exceptions, such as a dropped body, can be handled when they occur, eliminating time spent on post-processing rectifications. The Elise Hooktraka system also facilitates the use of manned and unmanned animal health stations. Each carcass is presented for inspection at a defined place on the chain, displaying status alerts and enabling the recording of any retain and disease information. At the grading station, all carcasses, including those re-entering from the retain rail, are associated with the correct mobs for carcass correlation. This ensures traceability for sorting and boning and ensures the integrity of supplier payments. Importantly, this detailed information gives processors a competitive edge by enabling them to pay producers on the true value of their sheep and lambs. Finally, the system facilitates the efficient uploading of movement information to a central database for biosecurity, food safety and market access purposes.
This system is definitely the way to go in the future. I can imagine if you said to the cattle producers and processors now, you know, we're going to do away with the electronic ear tags, we can go back to recording everything on a bit of paper, and they'd run a mile, because it would have made their recording information so much easier.
Well, as a processor, I think the benefit for our company will be that the quality of the lambs can be traced right back to where they've come from. Therefore, we can sort of work in with the farmers to try to get better quality lambs to suit our job. I think that's where the biggest benefit for our company will be.
When integrated with live animal RFID, Hooktraka and VIAscan provide unparalleled information to all sectors of the supply chain on carcass disease status, value and performance. This ensures that future domestic and export regulatory requirements are met and that processors can enhance the efficiency and performance of their operations. The world-leading technologies of Cedar Creek Company's VIAscan system and Elise's Hooktraka, maximising value through traceability and objective measurement.